The Whitby Watch Company. It's a Canadian company, a celebration of aviation and history for Canada. Avro CF-100 Canuck pilot watch is a limited run of 150 pieces at the 39mm case design, an automatic Swiss movement, assembled in Canada, based on the jet fighter aircraft design post-World War II that patrolled the skies with long-range firepower and great maneuverability. I like aviation watch designs. Thanks to the Whitby Watch Company for loaning me 3 of these beauties, each with its own beautiful colorway and dial design. The measurements are all the same though, so I will show the different colors in the videos, 2 of which are Canuck pilot watches, the MK2 in black and gray fuselage dial, and the third is the MK1 military green dial. Sit back and enjoy the shows. We'll cover off the specs, the case, the dial, the movement, the straps, the cost, overall wear. Right away I have to point out the attractive genuine leather straps that all 3 of these come with. They're a little stiff straight out of the box, to be honest, so that may take some time getting them worked in, but nevertheless, the thickness is there to provide stable support. The strap thickness is about 4.8 millimeters at the lug, and then it tapers down to about 3.8 millimeters at the closure. Now let's start with the black dial Canuck Pilot Watch MK2. I'm loving it. 39mm aircraft grade titanium case with exhibition case back, to spy on that Salida SW200-1 movement. All 3 with a fixed bezel design, a screw down onion style crown, great for the water resistance, and it's branded. Easy to handle and maybe even can be manipulated with gloves on. Short sloped lugs with a 20mm lug width. The lug to lug is 46mm and adds that versatility of, having this beauty on a wide range of wrists. My wrists are 7 1/4, and as you can see in the videos, it just looks fine. It also feels pretty lightweight. A total package right out of the box at only 73 grams. The watch has a water resistance of 10 bar or 100 meters. The dial is great, fun to look at and striking with some great contrasting colors for that Type A design. We have 3 levels to the dial with a clear minute second chapter ring around the perimeter. Below is the Whitby W signed at the 12 with the Arabic numerals around the dial in normal vertical positions, with the exception of the 6. We have a date window with the flight wings on either side. Black on white display and Canuck below this. Recessed below this level is the turbine inner dial design with 5-minute numerals radially positioned around all the way to the 60, a typical but not so typical design for aviator watches. Sometimes they have Type B where the 5-minute increments are the primary display. We have white baton style hands with an electric yellow bolt large seconds hand sweeping around that dial. I feel like everything works together here, all under a scratch resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective inner coating. Visibility definitely a priority for aviation style designs. No sacrifices here with C3 Superluminova, filled hands, indices, markers, and that Type B inner flight ring. It's a light show. A Swiss automatic self-winding movement powers this Canuck, the Salida SW200-1, a nice smooth sweep of 28,800 vibrations per hour with 26 joules and a power reserve of 38 hours. Now I mentioned the leather strap. It is top notch. It's a little stiff, but it's top notch with accent stitching and plenty of supports with the pin and buckle design. I like it. With the rivets as well, it just sings aviation. Of course, it's a little stiff, but be patient. Once she gets a little worked in or worn in, I'm sure she'll get better. Comment below if you have it, and you can let me know how things go over time. Because this one has to go back to Whitby, so I won't have it long enough to let you know about the wear. Now, the size, it should speak to a lot of people, because usually aviation watches are around 42 to 45 millimeters. So even with that smaller wrist, you can find enjoyment with the Canuck pilot watches. The costs are $965 Canadian, and options there online for you to get the design that's going to work for you. Just take a look at whitbywatchco.com. The MK2 Fuselage Gray. It's the same watch with the exception of the dial colors and the strap. The gray with the accent red points in the inner Type B dial and the large seconds hand wow. Let me know what you think of the gray and red. Comment below. Also, is the 6 o'clock position a great spot for this date window? Comment below, let me know. Sometimes we're used to seeing it at the 3, but if you can accept it and deal with it at the 6, it's no problem. I think it works with the aesthetic. The brown genuine leather is thick, like the black partner, a lighter tone than that of the military green strap that comes with that model, the Canuck Pilot Watch MK1 military green dial. This one's a little plain compared to its counterparts in the series with the no inner Type B dial for starters, as the minute tracker is positioned on the outer perimeter of the chapter ring. The dial still does offer depth and two-tone textured dial rings under the numbers and hands, all loomed like its partner there with Superluminova C3 to still offer you that great visibility. I mean, it is a pilot's watch, let's be real. It's always nice to have options. In case the inner Type B dial ring doesn't float your boat, this one could be for you. A dark brown aviator-inspired strap provides the support you need with great looks, with the rivets and the accent white stitching. There you have it, the Canuck Pilot Watch Mark II Black by the Whitby Watch Company. Pick out the one that's going to work for you. The MK2 Canuck Pilot Watch Fuselage Gray. The Canuck Pilot Watch MK1 Military Green. I'm Ross. Thanks for coming to the channel. Appreciate all the support. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, smash the bell. Turn your notifications on. When I make a new video, it gets released, you'll get notified. I'm also on Instagram, at TheCovertCrow right there. That's my time for today. Everyone take care of you and yours. Be safe, be well. See you on the next one.